So now we're going to perform the first part of our demo, and we're going to ask Google Bard to write article for us. And then we're going to ask ChatGPT to write the same article for us, and we're going to see which tool writes better article. We're also going to learn how we can make these AI tools to write attractive articles for us. So let's first of all, let's make Google Bard write article for us. Now I have asked Google Bard to write me an article on weight loss techniques. Now Google Bard is generating the article, and meanwhile it generates the article, let's discuss the interface of Google Bard. Here it is displaying the list of history of chats or history of queries that I have asked from Google Bard. This is an option of editing my question and posting it again. This is an option of posting my question via speech, and it also gives us the option of uploading question in the form of images as well. So let's see whether it has written an appropriate article for us or not. So you can clearly see that it has written a concise and clear article for us when it comes to weight loss. Now, if you feel that they haven't provided you enough information regarding weight loss techniques, we can simply ask it to provide more information. Kindly add more information to this article. Let's see how Google Bard reacts. So let's see whether Google Bard has added more information to this article or not. Yes, so it has added some additional tips as well inside the article, and if we still feel that the article is not detailed enough, let's ask it to add even more detail to it. Let's just give the Google Bard the number of lines of article that we want it to write. Kindly add more info to it and increase the total lines of this article to 1000 lines. Let's see how Google Bard reacts to this query. Okay, it is taking some time to generate because we've asked it to write a whole lot of lines. Okay, it has again displayed the results, but you can clearly see the Google Bard model is more of focus on providing quality information instead of greater quantity. The quantity of text in Google Bard is always going to be less than ChatGPT, but it is going to be accurate nonetheless. Now let's ask ChatGPT to write us the same article and see how much level of detail does ChatGPT provide. So we're going to ask ChatGPT to write an article on weight loss techniques. So the first thing that you've noticed is ChatGPT did not take as much time to process the query. It displayed the results right away. So we can clearly see that ChatGPT is more faster than Google Bard. Another thing that we can see is that the article that ChatGPT has written is more properly formatted. The information is given in the form of bulleted points, and it is very clear and concise. Now, if we want ChatGPT to add additional lines to this particular article, let's see how ChatGPT reacts. Add more details to this article. Okay, so it has started generating more text, and let's see how much additional details does ChatGPT enter now. Okay, now it has added some more additional details. Now let's add the same query. Let's ask it to write 1000 lines of article for us. increase the length of this article by adding, let's say, 900 more lines. Okay, so it is saying that it does not have the capability of writing the article with 900 lines. Let's try to rephrase the question. Let's write an article on weight loss techniques with 1000 lines. Let's see whether it can generate those 1000 lines or not. Okay, so it is also saying that it has a limitation of writing an article. So although the text that ChatGPT generated is still comparatively in greater quantity than Google Bard, but it also has its limitations. It can only write you an article with limited number of lines. So you would have to use another technique to ask it to add more lines to it. For example, if I previously queried write an article on weight loss techniques, now I can write another query that write a detailed article on the weight loss techniques and explain each technique with example. Now let's see how ChatGPT reacts to this question. Now you can clearly see that it has written the article by adding more information to what it previously gave. It is given variety of examples against each technique. And now you can combine the text that has been given over here in the form of examples with the text that has been generated previously in the form of theory, and your article is going to be ready. We can also ask ChatGPT to rewrite a certain text. Let's simply copy the text that we wrote by using Google Bard, and let's simply ask ChatGPT to rewrite it in its own words. And the ChatGPT is going to do it to perfection. So let's take small chunk of text so that it would be easier for us to gauge how ChatGPT rephrases it. So we're going to only copy this small chunk of text. So the text that we have copied is weight loss can be challenging task, but it is possible with the right approach to achieve weight loss. There are many different weight loss techniques available, but the most effective ones are those that are sustainable and that can be incorporated into your lifestyle over the long term. Now let's ask ChatGPT to rephrase it. So now let's see how ChatGPT rephrased the above sentence. Losing weight can indeed pose a considerable challenge, yet with strategic approach it is entirely achievable. While numerous weight loss methods exist, the ones that yield the best results are the ones that prove to be sustainable and they seamlessly integrate into your day-to-day routine for long haul. So you can see that how brilliantly ChatGPT rewrote the text that you asked it to rewrite. So now writing article is not an issue with the help of ChatGPT. Not only you can ask it to write a new article, and you can also ask it to convert an existing article and rephrase it. Now let's take a chunk of text from ChatGPT's generated article and let's ask Google Bard to rephrase it, and let's see how good Google Bard is at rephrasing the text. Okay, so now I'm going to copy the text from here. The text is: a balanced diet is the cornerstone of any successful weight loss plan. It can involve consuming a variety of nutrient dense foods in appropriate portions, and it focuses on incorporating vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, healthy fats, and so on and so forth. So let's copy this text as well. Let's ask Google Bard to rephrase it. Again, our focus would be on to only see how it rephrases the initial lines. We don't have to read all the lines of this article. So the first thing that we note that Google Bard takes comparatively more time to generate text. So let's see how it converted the text that we asked it to convert. So if we look into the first part, it says that a balanced diet is the foundation. So it replaced the word cornerstone with foundation of any successful weight loss plan. It is the same as above. It means eating a variety of nutrient rich food in the right amounts. So it replaced the word nutrient dense foods to nutrient rich food, and it changed the word appropriate portions into the right amounts. So when it comes to Google Bard, if you ask it to rephrase your existing text, it is going to try to rephrase it in very simple words. Whereas if you ask ChatGPT to rephrase your existing content, it is going to use some very tough and difficult words, or it is going to be more rich in vocabulary while rewriting the content that you have asked it to rewrite. So in the first part, we learned how we can make ChatGPT to write article for us, and we also learned how we can make Google Bard to write article for us, and also how to convert an existing text and rephrase it so that we can use it for our website. In the next part, we are going to discuss how we can use ChatGPT and Google Bard to write the code. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.